Hello everyone, hope you all are enjoying your online classes. Welcome to your online class and this is your general knowledge subject. Today in this video, I'll cover the topic space quiz. So here you are having two questions, question number A and question number B. Question number A is related with true or false and question number B with fill in the blanks. Okay, so let's start with our question number A. Read the question first. Against the following statements, write T for true and F for the false in the boxes. First one is, a magnetic field is generated in the sun by electric currents. This is carried out through the solar system by the solar wind, and this statement is true. Second is, Venus has a magnetic pole, and this statement is false, because Venus was found to be unmagnetized due to slow rotation. Clear? Now the third one, Hale-Bopp, one of the brightest comets seen from Earth, was discovered in 1995, and this statement is also true. Now the fourth one, the satellites of Uranus share their names with characters of Shakespeare's play, and this statement is also true. Now the next one, Saturn and Jupiter are made mostly of hydrogen and helium. Yes, this statement is also true. Now the sixth one, the moon is the only satellite in the solar system which has a thick atmosphere and clouds, and this statement is false, because Titan, Saturn's largest moon, also has a thick atmosphere. Okay, now seventh one, scientists have found signs of ancient floods on Mars, and yes, this statement is also true. Now the eighth one, Christian Huygens was the first person to propose the theory that Jupiter has rings around it, and this statement is false, because Christian Huygens was the first person to propose the theory that Saturn has rings around it. Okay. Now look at the ninth one. Neptune was discovered by astronomers in 1846, and this statement is true. Now 10th one. Sunita Williams holds the record for the most number of spacewalks by a woman, and the answer, this statement is false, because Peggy Whitson broke the record by spending 665 days of the planet. Okay. Now look at the 11th one. Sirius is the largest dwarf planet, and this statement is also false, because Sirius is not only the smallest dwarf planet but the only planet to reside in the asteroid belt. And last one, Valles Marineris on Mars is the largest canyon system, and this statement is true. Now come towards question number B. We will read the question first. Fill in the blanks, choose your answers from the help box. First one is, Europa is a satellite of the planet dash, and the answer is Jupiter. Europa or Jupiter second is the smallest of the 4 Galilean moons orbiting Jupiter, and the 6th closest to the planet of all the 79 known moons of Jupiter. It is also the 6th largest moon in the solar system. Now second, Phobos is a satellite of the planet dash, and the answer is Mars. Phobos is the innermost and larger of the 2 natural satellites of Mars. Phobos is a small irregular shaped object with a mean radius of 11 km and is 7 times as massive as the outer moon. Now the third one, Mars Orbiter Mission MOM is also known as dash, and the answer is Mangalyaan. It is a space probe orbiting Mars since 24th September 2014. It was launched on 5th November 2013 by the Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO. Now the fourth one, cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin orbited Earth aboard the spacecraft dash, and the answer is Vostok 1. The Vostok 1 was a type of spacecraft built by the Soviet Union. The first human spacecraft was accomplished with Vostok 1 on April 12, 1961 by Soviet cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin. Now the fifth one, the general theory of relativity formulated by dash is used to calculate the details of the structure of a black hole, and the answer is Albert Einstein. In 1905, Albert Einstein determined that the laws of physics are the same for all known accelerating observers, and that the speed of light in a vacuum was independent of the motion of all observers. This was the theory of special relativity. Now look at the sixth one. India began its first ever space mission to the moon with the launch of the spacecraft dash on 22nd October 2008, and the answer is Chandrayaan 1. Okay, so it was launched by the ISRO in 22nd October 2008 and operated until August 2009. The mission included a lunar orbiter and an impactor. Clear? Now seventh one, dash is the largest moon of Pluto, and the answer is Charon. It is the largest of the 5 known natural satellites of the dwarf planet Pluto. It has a mean radius of 606 km. 8th, Uranus was discovered in 1781 by dash, and the answer is William Herschel, although he originally thought it was either a comet or a star. And the last one, dash was the first spacecraft to land on the moon, and the answer is Luna 2. It was the 6th of the Soviet Union's lunar program spacecraft launched to the moon, E1 number 7. The spacecraft was launched on 12th September 1959. Okay, so here we have done our topic space quiz. Now I'll meet you in the next video with the new topic. Till then, stay tuned, stay healthy and stay safe. Thank you.